Today is day 1 of my CHash learning journey. This is not a tutorial and I'm not here to teach anyone. I'm simply documenting my experience as I start learning something new. I believe every skill begins with a decision, not confidence or talent. Today, I decided to start. I don't know everything yet, and that's okay. This video is about showing up even when things feel confusing and unfamiliar. Starting something new always feels uncomfortable. When I opened my editor and saw a blank screen, I felt both excitement and fear. A blank screen represents possibility, but it can also feel intimidating. Today, I reminded myself that every programmer started exactly here. Nobody begins as an expert. Day 1 is not about being good. It's about being brave enough to begin. Learning CHash today felt like learning a new language. New words, symbols, and structure all at once. At first, nothing feels natural. You question why things are written the way they are. You wonder if you'll ever fully understand it. But that's part of the process. Learning isn't instant. It happens slowly through repetition, patience, and consistent effort. There were moments today when I felt confused and moments when I felt stuck. I asked myself questions I couldn't answer yet. But I realized something important. Understanding comes later. Consistency comes first. You don't need to understand everything on day 1. You just need to keep going. Progress starts when you choose not to quit, even when things feel unclear. Today wasn't about writing perfect code or learning advanced concepts. It was about exposure. Seeing how CHash looks, how it's structured, and how it feels to work with it. Small things matter: syntax, symbols, and structure. These details may seem overwhelming now, but over time they become familiar. What feels hard today can feel normal tomorrow. I learned today that moving slowly is not a weakness. Reading the same thing multiple times is not failure. Forgetting and relearning is part of growth. Learning is quiet. It doesn't always feel impressive. Sometimes progress is simply not giving up. Even if today's win was small, it still counts. Momentum is built one step at a time. This journey is personal. I'm not comparing myself to others or trying to keep up with anyone. I'm focused on my own pace and my own growth. Everyone's path is different, and that's okay. What matters is showing up consistently. Improvement doesn't happen overnight. It happens through patience, effort, and commitment over time. There will be more challenges ahead, more confusion, more moments where nothing works the way I expect. But there will also be small wins, moments when something finally makes sense. Moments when code runs successfully after many attempts. Those moments make the struggle worth it. Growth comes from staying, even when it feels difficult. If you're watching this and you're also starting something new, remember this: day 1 doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. You don't need the full plan. You don't need confidence yet. You just need to take the first step. Starting is already progress, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Today was my first step with CHash. I don't know how long this journey will take or where it will lead. But I know this: I showed up today, and tomorrow I'll try to show up again. This is day 1, not the highlight, but the foundation. Every journey starts somewhere, and this is where mine begins.